In today's digital advertising world, keeping up with trends and techniques can feel overwhelming. One strategy that has been making a significant impact is automated bidding. So, what can automated bidding help an advertiser improve? The answer is simple: performance. Automated bidding is a system that allows advertisers to use machine learning algorithms to manage their bids automatically. Instead of manually adjusting bids for each keyword or campaign, the system takes over, analyzing data in real time and adjusting bids to maximize results. This not only saves time but also ensures that ads are optimized for performance, helping businesses get the most out of their advertising budget. By relying on automated bidding, advertisers can see improvements in key areas like cost efficiency. With automated bidding, the system finds the best bid to reach the target audience at the lowest possible cost, improving overall ROI. Time savings. No more constantly monitoring and adjusting bids. Automated bidding frees up time so you can focus on other important aspects of your campaigns. Better targeting. Automated bidding takes into account various factors like user behavior, time of day, and location, ensuring your ads are shown to the right people at the right time. Consistency. Since the system works in real time, there is no room for human error. Automated bidding ensures that your ads are always running at the best performance level. In conclusion, automated bidding can take your advertising strategy to the next level by enhancing performance, maximizing efficiency, and helping advertisers get the most from their campaigns. If you're not using automated bidding yet, it might be time to consider it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need help with your Google Ads, I invite you to take the 14-day free trial of my coaching program. Thank you and see you in the next one.